rained for last night. We were sleeping at that time, and the wind has destroyed everything. I'm a student. I'm supposed to be at school by this time, but because of the rain, I haven't go to school because the rain has destroyed everything in our house. We are having 6 rooms. All of them are destroyed, so we don't know where to sleep again. Guess last night we slept outside, so we are suffering. We are seeking for the help from the government, so we are pleading for him to help us. We built it 3 to 4 months ago, but the rooms are 6, and then when we built them 3 to 4 months ago, and everything has been destroyed. We don't know where to sleep again. Even the rooms and the buildings, they are all destroyed. Even last night we didn't know where to sleep. We are just standing till now, so we are suffering from everything. We don't know what to do again, so we are just pleading to the government to help us, because we don't know what to do again. Even our everything has been destroyed.
Right now, it's a farming season. Right now, we're there. So for the farming, I don't know where to get the money and then go and farm my farm. So now that my room has been destroyed, for now I don't know where I am. My temper, I don't know. Last night I couldn't sleep. I was just inside my room when I heard a noise shouted. I realized that my wife and my daughter just outside in the rain, and then shouting that I should open my room, and they entered. And I asked them that why, and she told me that her room is what just removed by the rain. So that's what I heard.
Just about the air that destroyed our rooms. They left 2 rooms for us. Our men, we don't have place again to sleep. That was yesterday night air that come and destroy our building. We have nothing to say unless people come and help us. It's our rain season time. We have nothing again. But by the grace of Allah, everything will be well. We, our men, accommodation is more problem for us now. We are appealing for the government so that we look for us. The place is no more for us. We don't have accommodation again.